Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to create a customized emoji, a new Genmoji in your iMessage. Click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Now let's jump in. Within my iMessage, I am going to select my message and then select the smiley face on the bottom left-hand corner. If you do not have that there, you do need to enable your emoji keyboard from your settings application. From here, I'm going to select this smiley face, this rainbow plus smiley face, and create a Genmoji. I'm going to select continue since this is the first time I'm using it, and I am going to now describe the emoji I am looking for. When I'm ready, I'm going to select done. From here, I have a few rainbow dogs I can select from. I'm going to select this one. Now this has been added to my emoji keyboard. Let's try one more here. Depending on what you search for, you will receive some different options. Ooh, this one's nice. If I select it, it will be added to my emoji keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media. I'll catch you in the next video.